Hi, friends. Welcome to my channel. Today, we will have a deep dive into gluttony, greed, जिसे हम सिंपल हिंदी में कहते हैं हवरटपना या being bhukkad, like kind of a thing. And this Zomato ad was really striking. It was just like drilling into my brain, and I said, I need to speak about this. This is like a food porn, right? Na? We are fetishizing food as a tool, as a dildo or something. And you see this like the food delivery uh, is taken an order by these two girls online, and they're eating it. Like the way they are looking at food as well, they're looking at this kind of a stud or something, a guy with some sort of muscles and a huge meat package, and the way that lust and that desire in their eyes, I just couldn't understand that. How? It's just food, for goodness sake. Foolish, just eat it. Right now it's biryani or it's pizza, and you should see the way they were eating that pizza. It's kind of an orgasmic bliss. They were moaning and groaning, like some women who are so thirsty and so desperate for a like, for goodness sake, it's just food. Just eat it. I know, and you should eat it with pleasure and fun. Like, eat it and it's great. It's fantastic. The flavor is good. The taste is good. The texture, everything is good. But the way they were filming the whole thing, like the way they were, for goodness sake, Zomato is an application, right? App, an online app, food delivery app. वो बनाते नहीं है, वो डिफरेंट रेस्टोरेंट से सोर्स आउट करके वो तुम्हें डिलीवर करते हैं. सो इन अ वे दे आर एक्चुअली encouraging people to eat food, takeaway foods, right, all the time, and spend more money, be lazy, be fat, be gluttonous, like like keep eating, like and be morbidly obese and have health problems. See, अभी बाहर के खाने में क्या होता है? There's so much of sodium, there's so much of MSG. ऊपर से let me tell you, the secret of your vegetarian food tasting good is because they use tari, which is a mutton fat. Okay, and they drizzle over your vegetarian food. That's the reason why ये रेस्टोरेंट का खाना बहुत टेस्टी रहता है. वरना तुम्हारे वेजिटेबल्स में इतना फ्लेवर कहाँ से आएगा, my dear friends? So, and there's so much of artificial seasoning and flavorings. So now they're showing women, like the empowered, thinking, strong women, like they are catering to the modern woman, the feminist, the woman who thinks that cooking is a maid's job, or it is a low job, or it should be outsourced, or every time we have to depend on. Arey nahi yaar, let's just online order, like taking a quick way out. Right now, so I call this a food porn. Food porn. You're eating food, eat it, like as like a human being, like a proper decent human being. Oohs and ahs, as though you're getting laid, right now. And they're showing women the way they are eating. So this is creating kind of a fetish. Food is not a dildo which is giving you satisfaction in your genitals, right? So I don't know, it is catering to some sort of a fantasy, like relating to food, or the feeder's fantasy, maybe, like to see females eating and getting fat and deriving some sort of a satisfaction, instant gratification. See, sometimes I forget to use these hi-fi jargons. I need to prepare myself, like instant, like ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर किया, खा लिया. बिकॉज खाना बनाने के बनते बनते वो ऑर्गेन्स में ब्लिस नहीं आएगा ना, वो वाले मोर्निंग एंड ग्रोनिंग नहीं होगा. योर जी स्पॉट इज नॉट टच्ड. Come on. So yes, and then the amount of waste, the kind of packaging creates so much of waste. Right now the guy will come down with so much of plastic, and all kinds of those plastic forks and bowls. It's a waste, right? Your environment, on even on environment, it's such a kind of an hazard. So now they are showing that a thinking, independent, empowered, strong woman needn't cook because she has got her own money and make her own rules and choices. And you've seen that there were two females. There's no family, means they wouldn't care a damn to cook, neither for themselves or for the family. It's like these are single people, and or maybe they are not so single, whatever their status is. uh, they are basically depending on this online app, and that online app has become like an SOS, like 9111. Chalo, abhi, at any part of the day, at any time. Like I tell you, even here on my neighbor, there was this female who used to call up delivery pizza, and the guy used to deliver at 11:30, 12 in the night. I'm like, like seriously? So yes, people are constantly eating. The only thing in their mind is food. Yeah, and that also unhealthy food like pizza. Once in a while, yes, if you're eating as a, it's okay. But so much of saturated fat, cholesterol, और दुनिया भर का, right ना? So it is A, it's making us lazy, broke, and stupid. But now it is catering to the strong, independent, empowered, modern woman. It's like she can make the rules because she has the money and she's the working lady. Thank you, Zomato. Thank you for giving us this food porn advertisement. It is. Are they masturbating with their food? That's a question I want to ask Zomato. Zomato, please. And you'll watch, like when you're owning your, whenever you want to watch YouTube, the amount of advertisement from Zomato, like every 10 seconds, every time you just log in, you'll find some, like somebody eating lusciously, like with lots of lust, lasciviously. sorry. So ये क्या है? What is this nonsense? Your food cannot replace for human interactions, right? So matlab agar if you don't get the dick, you eat the food. High fatty food, junk food, processed food. No wonder there's this fad about all this crazy about these fatties making videos sitting and eating mukbangs. What is this mukbang nonsense? That khana khan nikal jana. That whole world should see you be misbehaving, behaving badly, and eating food and wasting food. They are not even reviewing the food. कोई जंक फूड लेके आ जाता है कहाँ से, मैकडोनल्ड से, पिज़्ज़ा हट से, या कहीं फास्ट फूड से, जॉली बीज और समथिंग, एंड दे स्टार्ट ईटिंग इट और उसका वो मकबैंग बना देते हैं. या कोई चाइनीज़ या रेमन्स. क्या नॉनसेंस है? यू नॉट इवन रिव्यूइंग, यू जस्ट स्टफिंग दैट फूड इन योर माउथ. It's irritating. So that's what I wanted to say. Please share your thoughts on this ad. Thank you, sweetie. There's this one of my subscribers, and she's a fantastic woman who really gives her insight on these videos. Not only on these videos, but the existing thought processes which are happening. And thank you so much for all your comments. It's a pure joy reading them. And yes, we have to think quite straight about all these things. We can't just close our eyes. Oh, it's just an ad. No, it's not just an ad. It's an agenda, and hidden agenda. Okay, thank you so much.